All right, good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are doing well today. I'm going to cover the 8-3 skills practice worksheet. We're going to go over numbers 21 through 24. So let's get started. The first one here, number 21, has w plus 4 multiplied by w squared plus 3w minus 6. You need to distribute the w first, so I'm going to draw that one out. The w distributes to all three things. So w times w squared is w to the third. W times 3w is 3w squared. And w times negative 6 is negative 6w. Following that, you need to distribute the 4 to everything. So the 4 goes to the w squared, and you get 4w squared. The 4 distributes to the 3w, which gives you 12w. And finally, the 4 distributes to the negative 6, which gives you negative 24. Now, from there, you need to combine your like terms. So I'm going to highlight the like terms. Here are like terms. The x squareds are like. The not x squareds, the w squareds, and then the w themselves are like terms. So we only have one w to the third. 3w squared and 4w squared is 7w squared. Negative 6w plus 12w is positive 6w. And then followed minus 24. And there you go. That's the first one. W to the third plus 7w squared plus 6w minus 24. Now, moving on to the next one, we need to distribute this t to all three things in the second expression. So t times t squared is t to the third. T times 2t is 2t squared. And t times 4 is 4t. Now we're going to distribute the 1 to each of the things. So 1 times t squared is t squared. 1 times 2t is 2t. And then 1 times 4 is 4. Now, from that, after we've expanded the expression, we need to go through and highlight our like terms, which I'm doing now. You can see there are a couple of t squared terms and there are a couple of t terms, so those need to be combined. So 2t squared and t squared becomes 3t squared. 4t and 2t becomes 6t, and then the plus 4 is at the end, and there is your final answer to number 22. Moving on to number 23. Same thing. We've got to distribute the k to all three things first. So k times k squared is k to the third. K times 3k is 3k squared. And k times negative 6 is negative 6k. Now we have to distribute this 4 to all three things. Like that. I ran out of room a little bit. Apologize for that. So I'm going to rewrite this line here a little bit better. Okay. So 4 times k squared is 4k squared. 4 times 3k is 12k. And then 4 times negative 6 is negative 24. From there, we have like terms. As you can see, I'm highlighting the like terms. And then combine them. We have k to the third plus 7k squared, then plus 6k minus 24. All right, last one, guys, number 24. The m needs to be distributed, and the 3 needs to be distributed. So each one of those is going to get distributed. First, when we distribute the m times m squared is m to the third. M times 3m is 3m squared. And then m times 5 is 5m. Now, moving forward from that, we have 3 times m squared, which is 3m squared. 3 times 3m, which is 9m. And 3 times 5, which is 15. Whoops. I got to figure out a way to get rid of that. Sorry about that, guys. Is 15. I'm going to have to draw the 15 right there. Right there. Okay, so now we're going to highlight our like terms. We have a couple of m squared terms, and then we've got a couple of m terms right there. So we have m to the third, and 3m squared becomes 6m squared. Then we have 5m and 9m, which becomes 14m, and then plus 15. And there is our final answer. All right, guys, hopefully that made sense. Hope you're all doing well. We'll talk to you soon.